Cooking with sentences. Listen and repeat. I am chopping vegetables. I am chopping vegetables. I am mashing potatoes. I am mashing potatoes. I am grilling the chicken. I am grilling the chicken. I am peeling oranges. I am peeling oranges. I am slicing onions. I am slicing onions. I am baking a cake. I am baking a cake. I am toasting bread. I am toasting bread. I am cracking eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am grating cheese. I am grating cheese. I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee. I am cutting carrots. I am cutting carrots. I am whisking eggs. I am whisking eggs. I am boiling water. I am boiling water. I am roasting vegetables. I am roasting vegetables. I am washing fruits. I am washing fruits. I am blending a smoothie. I am blending a smoothie. I am squeezing lemon juice. I am squeezing lemon juice. I am rolling out the dough. I am rolling out the dough. I am basting the turkey. I am basting the turkey. I am mixing the salad. I am mixing the salad. I am decorating cupcakes. I am decorating cupcakes. I am pouring milk. I am pouring milk. I am whipping cream. I am whipping cream. I am picking fresh herbs. I am picking fresh herbs. I am frying eggs. I am frying eggs. I am marinating the steak. I am marinating the steak. I am peeling potatoes. I am peeling potatoes. I am stirring the soup. I am stirring the soup. I am grilling fish fillets. I am grilling fish fillets. I am spreading butter. I am spreading butter. I am crushing garlic. I am crushing garlic.